Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing us a basic CV, and we are going to learn how to use Microsoft Word to create a very straight to the point CV. This is a basic CV for Onyeka Ecclesia Okaigwe. First of all, we have objective. Objective is where you tell the company what kind of person you are. So here we have that I am a creative person with an extraordinary ability to effectively discharge duties, willing to go an extra mile to get tasks completed and maintain composure and grace under pressure, with excellent leadership, problem solving, and people skills, and with an uncommon zest for contributing to various aspects of business, enterprise, and knowledge. My objective is to reach heights of success in my career where it provides me constant learning while enhancing my leadership qualities and ability to work in a team. Learn by doing, do by finishing. So this is actually the summary of the character of the person that has this CV. And it goes a long way to speak to the employer, telling the employer more about you and whether you're the kind of person that they need for the specific position that you're applying for. So the second item here is the education. So this is the education. This you start from the last place or the last qualification that you have. I guess that should be your university, whether it's master's or bachelor's degree. So this is bachelor's degree for this person. So first of all, you write the year you spent from what year to the other year, 2013 to 2015, the name of the university, the course you read, and then the class that you graduated with. Then followed by the secondary school, the same pattern, the date, name of school, and the certificate you got. Same with primary school. Then you get to the next item or the third item known as work experience. So here you put the most recent job that you've done, then followed by other ones. This person has only one. So the name of the place, Nigerian Customs Service, from what year to the other year, and then the basic description of your job or the work that you do there. Then go to the next item, which is skills. Under skills, you have technical skills and personal skills. So what are the technical skills? Technical skills are those things like computer operation that you learned. If you're a programmer, those packages that you learned, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, MS Word, and rest of them. So those are the things you put on your technical skills. But on personal skills, you put skills like good communication and interpersonal, analytical and presentation skills, ability to work with minimum supervision, result-oriented, honest, self-motivated, detail-oriented, reliable, and experienced in working as part of a team. So those are the skills that you put under personal skills. Then you get to the next item, which is awards and achievements and extracurricular activities. Here you have to put where if you are the best graduated student in your school, you put the year, put the school, and talk about that. If you've held leadership positions like president of a union in school or stuff, SCG president or stuff like that, you have to indicate them too. If you've received the award as best graduated student, best this, best that, indicate them under these awards, achievements, and extracurricular activities. If you're into sports, you've gone for Olympics and the rest of them, also put it there. It shows your employer what abilities you have extra to be a leader. Then you talk about personal information. That's the next thing, personal information. So under personal information, this is how you have your personal data. sex, female, date of birth, 3rd October, marital status, local government, state of origin, nationality, hobbies, address, phone number, email, so that they can contact you, know where you're staying. Then you talk about professional qualifications. What are those other things that you've acquired apart from your normal university degree? If you're a Java programmer, you've tried Java programming. If you've done safety course for chemical engineers and other engineering people, you put it there. If you've done ICANN for accounting students, you put it there. Project management, human resources management, customer care management, all those qualifications, put them there with the address of the school or the place that gave you the qualification. If it is Tclassified.com that you are trained, you write it there in bold. Now to the last item, referees. Talk about people that are standing in for you, people that can vouch for you, people that can vouch to your character, that you're a good person and that you can handle the job that you're going for. So you need like 3 referees, you put them down. Then another thing is, if you're a programmer and you have something like GitHub account, you have LinkedIn account, your employee will like to go and see your works, your website, everything you have. So you have to put work references as the last part with the links that once the person clicks, it can get to your other works, like your website, your previous jobs, your LinkedIn account to see what's up with you on LinkedIn, as well as your YouTube account if you have a YouTube channel where you do teaching and other things like I do. So I always present my links to help people get to me and get to see my work. So that's all about a CV, a resume. You need a very good, clean CV. This is just a 2-page CV. Some people will demand for just 1 page, so you have to know how to get this into only one with minimal information, given the most important informations like your education and work experience, as well as skills and personal data. Those are the most important things, this personal data, and as well the referee. So you find a way of taking out things like professional qualification and other things. But it then depends on where you're submitting. If you're submitting your CV to people that require professional qualification, then it has to be there. So depending on the kind of information that the company that you're willing to work for, the kind of information that will impress them, that's what you put on your CV in order to make it to be either 1 page or 2 page and be very acceptable. So this is where I'm going to be stopping for today. Please, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button by this side of the screen. If you have any questions and concerns, drop it on the comment section down here. If you want to contact us for us to do stuff for you, for special classes, for anything you want to help us donate, check out the description part of this video. You see links on how you can help us grow our channel by donating, how you can contact us for special lessons, how you can work with us. We're here making things good for Nigerians, and that's how we roll. Thank you. God bless you so much. I love you so much.